And welcome back to another Yorkie Bits and Bobs Home Tech. If you're new to my channel, why don't you consider subscribing, clicking on the bell for notifications and giving this video or any of my other videos a thumbs up. Yeah, welcome back. So we are doing a KVM switch, and this will run apparently 2 PCs, and it uses DPIs, and it uses DisplayPort apparently, and it's quite cheap. Link in the video description below in case you want to go and check it out. It's made by a company called TESmert. I think that's how you pronounce it. Could be totally wrong, and I do apologise. Apparently it's a new company that are trying to do budget KVM switches, apparently. We will see. I think it's about £80–90. So yeah, quite cheap, because they're normally a few £100. So DP, DisplayPort, KVM switch, user manual. Yep, get that out of the way. The actual unit itself, yes, it's not very big, but then it doesn't have to be big, it just has to work, doesn't it? We will test it, of course. So looking at the bottom, because we're on the bottom of it so far, we have a couple of rubber feet, or 4 of them actually. On the back we have power, output, USB 2.0, USB for keyboard, mouse, input, DisplayPort again, remember that, input 2, plus a USB connection. Yes, it will need a USB, because otherwise you won't be able to use your keyboard and mouse. Makes sense? And then input for display or PC 1, input 1, and USB again for your input. And what do we have on the front? On the front we have an on-off switch, DP KVM switch. Online tells you, what sequence you're running at. So we have 1 and 2. It does dual monitor, something to bear in mind. We have a selection button and an IR sensor. So that would be for remote control. So I'm guessing it comes with a remote. It might not do. And then a mode indicator, looking at that. There's a little light. Air vents on the side, on both sides. And that's about it. Oh, and the TESmert on top. See that? TESmert. Yes. Yeah, it looks right. I quite like the colouring. That's a sort of bluey colour, isn't it? Yeah, it's made out of metal or tin. Yeah, see that? Let's see what else is in the box. Feels like there's a lot of stuff in here actually. There should be anyway. Power socket. So we have a 3-pin power socket for the UK market. That will just plug into there, like so. Job done. Yep, okay. 2 sets of DisplayPort cables. Very nice. They're not very long, something to bear in mind. If you need it to be quite long, you may be in trouble. A remote control, like I said earlier, you might get remote, you might not, but you do. Tips: a remote control does not come with a battery, and it uses, according to this, AAA's. Is that USB? Yep, there's your first USB. So we have USB to USB. Doesn't have to be nothing special, it just needs to work, because it's only for keyboard and mouse. So it doesn't have to be like 3.0 or anything like that. And then the same again on that one. So that is it. So that is all you need. You need obviously power. You need the KVM switch. You need 2 DisplayPort cables. I might not be using these, but I might do. And you need 2 USB connections. And that's it. Link in the video description below. Good night. God bless. Just kidding. Yes, I will assemble it and connect it to 2 PCs. I'll probably do it to that one now, and there's another one behind it, because they'll be the easiest 2 to get to. Hopefully. Anyway, let's get on with it, shall we? Hopefully you can see that. So I've got one PC down there, that one, and that PC, both connected to this, the DP KVM switch. Yes, and 1 monitor, because it only does 1 monitor. It does 1 keyboard, 1 mouse, and 1 monitor, and 2 PCs. Let me just quickly show you. I'm going to use the remote, hopefully. Oh, wrong one. Number 1 we want. And number 1 is that one. So that's running, as you can see. And then we have mouse, and that works fine. Keyboard should just work fine, which it does. Cancel that and go to number 2. Takes a few seconds, and again the mouse is running fine, keyboard, voila, easy peasy lemon squeezy once you set it up. And I do apologise for the mess. I just wanted to show you what it looked like, because I won't be using this all the time. I just wanted to use it just to show you how it all works and how easy or how hard it is to connect it all. And yes, it can be difficult doing all the wiring. As you can see, it can be a bit of a mess. Obviously, you know, when you're setting it up for the first time, you will route all the cable in properly, not like me, like this. I have a dongle for my mouse and keyboard, which is in now, which is in the actual mouse one. It doesn't matter which one you use. You can use the mouse one or the keyboard one. It shouldn't matter at all. And I'm using their display cables, and I'm using USB cables that they supplied. And yeah, I didn't think they would fit, especially the one down there, but they do. Or I didn't think they'd reach, not fit. Now you have control there of a switch, a selector, if you don't want to use remote. I find it a lot easier to use the remote, but you can, you know, just use the switch. Or we can just turn off. Job done. Turn it back on, see what happens. Probably broke it now. Oh, there you go. So we're on number 2, I believe. Let's go number 1. Number 1's a bit messy because it uses 2 monitors mostly, whereas number 2, now and again. Yeah, does that look good to you? Do you like it? Not a lot, but do you like it? So with that, yeah, it does everything they claim it does. I think it gets a little bit warm, but at the moment it's quite cool. It will get warmer. It's got plenty of air vents underneath, as you can see. But like I said, it will get warmer. So with that, what do you reckon? Let me know in the comments whether you're thinking about buying one or not. 2 PCs, 1 monitor, 1 keyboard, 1 mouse, and a remote control to control it all, if you wanted to. Or you can use a little selector at the bottom. I'd recommend using this, it's a lot easier. So with that, if you like this video, know what to do. Subscribe, click on the bell for notifications, and give this video the thumbs up. And don't forget, check out my link in the video description below. Thank you very much for watching.